Okay, here we are again. Thank you so much for being with me always. And last time we learned about multiplication, right? So I hope you understand what multiplication is all about. And we tried to multiply one-digit numbers by one-digit number, and we answer also the multiplication tables. So this time, we will learn how to multiply by tens, 20s, 30s, and so on. And of course, we need to learn also the multiplication properties, and then we will multiply one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Are you ready? Okay, if you're ready, let's start now. Okay. Okay, once again, good afternoon. Our topic is about multiplication. And once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in grade 2 MEP class. So these are the objectives that we did that we will have this afternoon or at this moment to multiply by 10, 20s, 30s, or and so on up to 90s. And then we need or you need to multiply numbers by zero to identify multiplication properties and etc. And then to multiply one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Now multiplying by 10, 20, and 30. Okay, multiplying by 20, 30, and so on. Okay, now let's say for example, I prepared 3 examples for you this afternoon before you will answer your book. Let's say for example, number 1, 4 times 30. It's very easy to multiply this number if it ends with 0, as you can see here, 4 times 30. So all you need to do is 4 times 3. You multiply the numbers here, the first number 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, right? You learned it last time. So if we multiply 4 times 30 is like 4 times 3 times 10. So 4 times 3 is 12. So we will just multiply here the 10. 4 times 3 is 12, right? Then times 10. So 12 times 10 is equals to 120. Okay, so we just add 0, 0. In here, you can see here 4 times 3, there's no 0 here. So 4 times 30, there's a 0 in here. So it's just like what 12, and then we just put 0. So 4 times 30, that is 4 times 3 times 10, or 4 times 3 is 12, and then just bring down 10 here. So 12 times 10 is equals to 120. So the answer here, 4 times 30 is equals to 120. Another example. Example number 2, 7 times 60. So 7 times 60, we just multiply here, 7 times 6. So 7 times 6 is equals to 42. 42. So 7 times 60, that is equals to 7 times 6 times 10. So 7 times 6, again, 7 times 6 is 42, right? So we just put like this, 42. 7 times 6 is 42, put it here, and then times 10. We just multiply into 10. So 42 times 10 is equals to 420. So the answer, 7 times 60 is equals to 420. Okay, 420. Another example here, 8 times 50. Okay, 8 times 50. Now, if we will multiply 8 and 5, okay, in our solution, 8 times 5 is equals to 40, right? 8 times 5 is equals to 40. Now, we will just do like this. 8 times 50 is equals to 8 times 5 times 10. So 8 times 5, again, 8 times 5 is 40. So you will put it here. So that's 40. And then we will multiply 40 into 10. And then so 40 times 10 is equals to 400. So here, the answer, 8 times 50 is equal to 400. Okay, it's very easy. Multiplying numbers this way is very easy. Now let us proceed here in the next questions in exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, you will see there that there are 12 questions, okay? 12 questions. Now, here in number 2, we will just use a symbol of greater than, symbol of smaller than, and symbol of equal to. Okay, so here, just when you answer, you have to look at the first digit. Okay, here 9 times 9 is 81, right? Did you answer your book last time? Multiplying one digit number to one digit number. So here, if we will multiply, 9 times 9 is equal to 81. 8 times 8 is equals to 64. Now, what is the answer here? If we will multiply 9 times 90 is 810. 8 times 80 is equals to 640. Now, what is your answer in letter A? Greater than or smaller than? Ponada? Greater than or smaller than? Letter A. Greater than, smaller than, equal to. No. What is your answer? Louder, please. Greater than, your answer is correct. How about in letter B? Letter B. Who can give an answer in letter B? Just raise your hand. Greater than, smaller than, or equal to?
Letter B. Greater than.
Letter B is greater than. Greater than. Letter C. How about letter C? 4 times 20 and 5 times 20.
Greater than.
Huh? Greater or smaller?
Greater than.
Okay, 4 times 20 is 80. 5
18
times 20 is 100. Okay, 80 and 100. So the answer here is smaller than. Okay, smaller than. Now, I will give you, okay, I will give you a 2 minutes to answer these questions up to letter K. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, pencils up. Ready? Go. Okay, 2 minutes. I'll give you 2 minutes to answer these questions. 7 times 4 is 20. 28, right? 28. 7 times 4 is 28. And then just put 0 here. So we have here 280. 8 times 3 is 20. 24, right? 8 plus 8 plus 8. And then put 0 here. We have 240. So in letter J, the answer here is greater than. Now here, 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is equals to 36, right? 36. So just put 0. In here, we have 360. 9 times 4. So that is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 times 4 is 36. And then just put 0 here at the end. So we have here 360. So 360 and 360 they're equal. Okay. Now here, multiplication property. Now, as you look at the picture here, you will see here, there are 3 groups, right? There are 3 groups, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups of cookies. And each group has 4, right? So we say that it is 3 groups times 4 cupcakes. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, we have 12. And here, why is it 4 times 3? Because there are 4 groups. So 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each group has 3. So 4 groups times 3. Here, 3 groups times 3 objects inside or cookies. So 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12. Even we change the position of the numbers, they will give the same answer. The answer here is 12, right? Another example here, 3 times 5 and 5 times 3, right? 3 times 5 or 5 times 3, the same answer. What's the answer? 15. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. Here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The answer is 15, right? Very easy, very easy. Here, another one in multiplication property. When we multiply any number with 0, the result is 0. 1 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. 100 times 0, 0. 1,000 times 0, 0. 1 million times 0 is still 0. Any numbers that you will multiply into 0, the answer is 0. Okay, 0. Now here, look at here. 7 times 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. There's nothing. That's why any number that you will multiply into 0, the answer is 0. Okay, 0. Because there's nothing in here. Okay, there's nothing in here. Now in your book, on page 80, okay, 10 seconds only. Answer your book in 10 seconds. 10, 9, page 80, number 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. If you are finished, raise your pencil. 3, 2, 1. Letter A. 3 times 0 is, of course, 0. Letter B. 7 times 0 here is 0. All answers here are 0 because we multiply these numbers into 0, right? Very easy. This is very easy, like for grade 1, right? When you were in grade 1, you learned this already. Any number that you will multiply into 0, it's 0. Now in number 2, this one, any number, even you change the position, it will give the same answer. Now here, in number 2, page 80, right? Page 80. 5 or 4 times 5. What's the missing number here? Or in letter A first, we start in letter A. 5 times 7 or 7 times? Again, please.
5.
5. 5 times 7 or 7 times 5. Letter B. 4 times 5 or blank times 4. What number?
5.
Okay, the same. 5. Because here you can see 5 times 4. 4 times 5. 5 times 4. 5 times 7. 7 times 5. Right? How about in letter C? 6 times 3 or 3 times?
6.
6.
I
Very
do not
good.
exist.
Okay, so just like that, just like a mirror. What number you will see here? 6. There's 6. 3, 3. 7, 7. 5, 5. 5, 5. 4, 4. So it's just a mirror. Now in letter D, it's 2. Letter E, 8 times 9 or 9 times 8. How about in letter F? 5 times 3 or?
3.
3 times 5. Very good. And letter G, 6 times blank or 2 times 6. What number should be here? Number
2.
2. It's correct. Very good. It's very easy, right? This one is very easy. Multiplication property is very easy. Very, very easy. So these are the answers in number 3. Now we will proceed in number 4. Okay. Now in number 4, there are 7 questions. 7 questions. Okay. This one is equal and not equal. This one is very easy because if you look at the numbers, if the numbers are the same, they are equal. If not the same, not equal, right? Just like this in letter A. 2 times 3. 3 times 2. Of course, they're equal, right? Here, 7, 7. 4, 3. Not equal because the numbers are not the same. Letter C, not equal. Letter D, 9 times 9 and 8 times 9. Of course, not the same numbers. They are not equal because here is 9 and 9. Here, 8 and 9, not the same. So means not equal, right? Not equal. It's very easy. This one is very easy because you will just look at the number. Here, 6 times 5, 5 times 6. They are equal or not equal?
Equal.
Okay, equal. How about in letter F? Equal or not equal? Letter F.
Equal.
Okay, because
Equal.
6 times 7 or 7 times
Equal.
6, they are
Equal.
equal. Letter G.
Equal.
Letter G.
Not equal.
Not equal.
equal.
Okay, not equal because if you will just look at the numbers, if the numbers are the same, that means they are equal. But if they are not the same, that means they are not equal. Okay, just looking at the number, you will find the answer. Okay, now here, page 82. 82. Page 82. Okay, page 82. Use your ruler. If you have ruler, use your ruler and then make line. Okay, just make line. Okay. Next, letter C. 12 times 4. 12 times 4, that is, the equivalent of that is 6 times 8. Okay, 6 times 8, which is 48. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 48, right? 48. Now, 5 times 3. Letter D, 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, right? 3 times 5. Okay, letter E, 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So 24 times 2 is 42. So that's the partner. And 8 times 4 and then 16 times 2. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, pencils up, pencils up, pencils up. Multiplying 1-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers will be tomorrow. Okay, we will do it to I mean not tomorrow, on Thursday. On Thursday. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Bye. See you on Thursday. See you on Thursday.
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.